exercise 2.2 up to 4th problem. Now I am going to do 5th problem. See, our question is you have to integrate with respect to x. What is the question given here? 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 2, x minus 3. What we can do? We can't integrate directly. Here you have to use partial fraction. What you have to use here? Partial fraction. Already in 11th standard you have learned partial fraction. See here, you can write it as a by x minus 2, this one, plus b by x minus 3. Have you understood how I am splitting here? This x minus 2, a by x minus 2, plus this x minus 3 I have to write it as b by x minus 3. Now take LCM. A into, this one you have to multiply with a, x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2. This side right, left hand side 3x plus 2. Have you understood? This denominator get cancelled. Okay, ba? Now what we have to do here, see, if you want to make it as 0, enna pota 0 agum. Already 11th standard I explained everything. See, put x is equal to 3. If you put x is equal to 3, this term will become 0. So I am going to write x is equal to 3 here also. Instead of x, write 3 plus 2 is equal to a. Put x is equal to 3 here. Wherever x, you have to put 3. 3 minus 2. So 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11 is equal to. This term will become 0 plus b. So our answer is b is equal to 11. Now like this you have to find the value of a. See, again I will explain this what you have to do. First of all you have to use partial fraction to solve this. How you have to write here? See the denominator here x minus 2, x minus 3. This one you can write it as a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. Then take LCM. See here you put x is equal to 3. If you put x is equal to 3, this term will become 0. So you have to substitute instead of x, write x is equal to 3. Now you got the value b is equal to 11. Likewise, put x is equal to 2. Now write here 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2 is equal to a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2. Instead of x, put x is equal to 2 here. That means 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to a. 2 minus 3. Here 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 means this term will become 0. In the term, 0. So that means 6 plus 2, 8. Minus 1 plus 0b. So our answer is a is equal to minus 8. Have you understood? Now we got the value a and b. With the help of this value, you have to integrate. See? Integrate a by, what is the question here? A by x minus 2. Now substitute the value or a is minus 8 by x minus 2 dx. Plus integrate b by x minus 3. What is the value of b here? Our value is 11. So 11 by x minus 3 dx. Now you have to integrate with respect to x. See, already last class I said about one result. What is the result here? Integral 1 by x dx. You can write it as log x plus c. This result only I am again going to use it here. See, minus 8 log, instead of x we have to write x minus 2. Log x minus 2. Here plus 11. Integrate 1 by x minus 3 we can write it as log x minus 3 plus c. C is constant here. So you can interchange and write. Minus you can bring it to this side. 11 log x minus 3 minus 8 log x minus 2 plus c. Have you understood? See what we are doing here? We can't integrate directly. So I am using partial fraction here. See? Take LCM. Then you have to write the value of x. X can substitute here 3. So 3 minus 3, this will become 0. Now I got the b value. In the value, again I am finding the value of a. Here you have to put x is equal to 2. Now I got the value of a. Now a value irukku, b value irukku. Again you have to substitute here. A, what is the a value? Minus 8. அப்படி என்ன பண்றோம்? Minus 8 by x minus 2 dx plus integrate. What is our b value? 11. So 11 by x minus 3 dx. Now you have to integrate with respect to x. அப்ப என்ன பண்றீங்க? Here take minus 8 outside. அப்ப இது என்ன ஆயிடும்? 1 by x minus 2 dx. What is the result here? This is our important result we are using here. Integrate 1 by x dx is log x plus c. So here x is x minus 2. So log x minus 2. Here log x minus 3 plus. Have you understood? Now you can write down this problem. Copy பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Shall I repeat? Like what? See next our sixth problem. See our sixth question is 4x square plus 2x plus 6 divided by x plus 1 whole square into x minus 3. Here also you have to use partial fraction. How we can write this? See, a by this x minus 3. Next என்ன பண்ணலாம்? b by see x plus 1 whole square இருந்தாலும் you can split it into 2. என்ன பண்ணணும்? x plus 1 c by x plus 1 whole square. This first step is very important. You have to split it as x plus 1 whole square என்ன பண்ணணும்? x plus 1 into x plus 1 whole square தான் split பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? Now take LCM. 4x square plus 2x plus 6 a into this one you can write it as here see our denominator here x minus 3 is there அப்ப இங்க என்ன இல்லன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா x plus 1 whole square so you have to write x plus 1 whole square plus b see here x plus 1 is there அப்ப இங்க என்னன்னா இல்ல x minus 3 then x plus 1 so x minus 3 x plus 1 at last for c you have to write x minus 3. Have you understood? Like this only you have to take LCM. Now put x is equal to 3. What I am going to do, if I like 3 put the term 0. Here also if I put 3 it will become 0. So I am putting x is equal to 3. So write 4 3 square. Here 3 2s are 6. A here 3 plus 1 4 square. Plus b 3 minus 3 3 plus 1 wherever x is there you have to put 3 minus 3 now 9 4s are 36 plus 6 plus 6 here 4 square is 16a 3 minus 3 now if b it became 0 here c is also 0 so 0b plus 0c so what is the answer here add everything you will get 48 equal to 16a. What is the a value? 48 by 16. What is the answer? A is equal to 3. Likewise, you have to find b and c. Have you understood this? See, for finding next value, I am going to write put x is equal to minus 1. In the place of x, I am going to write minus 1. So 4 minus 1 whole square. 2 into minus 1 plus 6 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 whole square. Minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 plus 1. Plus c minus 1 minus 3. See, what is the answer here? 4 minus 2 plus 6. Here minus 1 plus 1 is here became 0. 0a minus 4b. Here also plus 1 minus 1 will become 0. That means plus 0b minus 4c. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So minus 4c. So simplify this. 8 is equal to minus 4c. That means 8 by 4 minus c. C is equal to minus 2. Now I got A value, then C value. Next we have to find B value. For that I am going to write, put x is equal to 0. Write 0 here in the place of x. So 4 into 0, 2 into 0 plus 6 is equal to A into, put x is equal to 0 here. Upper 0 plus 1 is 1. Plus b, 0 minus 3, here 0 plus 1, plus c, 0 minus 3. In the place of x, you have to put 0, that's all. So 6 is equal to a, what is the answer here? Minus 3b. Next, minus 3c. Now substitute the value of a and c. What is the value of a? 3. So 6 is equal to 3 minus 3b. What is the value of c here? Minus 2. Substitute here. C place the c value substitute minus minus plus and plus 6. So 6 is equal to 9 minus 3b. Now you bring this 9 to this side. Now 6 minus 9 minus 3b. Minus 3 is equal to minus 3b. B is equal to 1. So what is the answer here? B is equal to 1. Now we got the value of A, B and C. Copy down this. Take your rough note and write. See, our next step is substitute all the values of A, B and C. What is the value of A? A is equal to 3. So, listen, integrate 3 by x minus 3 dx. What is the value of b here? 1. 1 by x plus 1 dx. Value of c is minus 2. That means minus integrate 2 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Take 3 outside. What is the answer here? 1 by, what is the integrate 1 by x dx is log x. Abhina, log x minus 3. Here log x plus 1. Again I don't take 2 outside. That means minus 2 integrate. Take this to numerator. X plus 1 whole square. Denominator it will become minus 2 dx. What is the result I am using here? Any result use for integrate x power n dx. What is integrate x power n dx? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This result only I am going to use it in this step. See, 3 log x x minus 3 plus log x plus 1. Integrate this, integrate x plus 1 by whole square minus integrate பண்ணா என்ன ஆகுது x plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 n plus 1. Here also minus 2 plus 1 plus c. This result you have to use it here. Next, see here. What is our last step? See, 3 log x minus 3 plus log x plus 1. Now we simplify this. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. And after the minus here, it will become plus. So, plus 2 x plus 1 whole power minus 1 plus c. See what I am going to do here. 3 log x minus 3 plus log x plus 1 plus 2. This x plus 1 whole power minus 1 enna pannalam denominator kondu vandinga it will become plus sign x plus 1 plus c. Have you understood? Likewise you have to do 7th problem as homework. Do 7th problem as homework. அங்க என்ன பண்ணுவோம் directly we can't write a b c னு எழுத முடியாது. அங்க என்ன எழுதணும் bx plus c னு வரும். ஓகேவா? அது மட்டும் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிட்டு likewise you have to do everything. See next. See our 8th problem. F dash of x is equal to 1 by x. This one you have to integrate with respect to x. Now I do integrate f dash of x dx is equal to integrate 1 by x dx. F dash of x integrate panna what we will get? We will get f of x. F of x is equal to what is the result here? Integrate 1 by x dx is log x. Log x plus c. See our question here. What is the value given? F of 1 is equal to pi by 4. That means in the place of x substitute 1. F of 1 is equal to x equal to 1 substitute pannunga log 1 plus c. Already you know what is the value of log 1? Log 1 value is 0. So f of what is the value of f of 1 in the question itself given pi by 4. That means pi by 4 is equal to 0 plus c. That means c is equal to pi by 4. என்ன கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம் the value of c is pi by 4. Now substitute here நீங்க substitute பண்ணுங்க f of x is equal to log x plus pi by 4 c value. Have you understood? Consider copy down this. See here next of 7th problem. See here I gave this problem as homework but I will do now. Just listen and write. What is our 7th question? 3x square minus 2x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 x square plus 1. 5. You have to split it into partial fraction. Use partial fraction. என்ன வரும்? a by x minus running out of time.
10 minutes.
A by x minus 1. If x square in the place of x square you have to write bx plus c divided by x square plus 5. See என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Now put x is equal to 1 here. If you put 1 here, this term will become 0. So I am writing as 1. In the place of x, write 1 here. See, 1 minus 1. Here also write 1. 6 is equal to 6a. If I put 1 here, this entire term will become 0. Then I do 1 minus 1. The term will have 0. So a is equal to 1. Like this, you have to find b and c. See, put x is equal to now 0. Write 0 here. So 3 in the place of x write 0. Minus 2 into 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 is 5 plus 0 plus c. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. So what will come here? 5 is equal to 5a minus c. So substitute the value of a here. 5 is equal to our value of a is 1 here. So substitute பண்ணுங்க என்ன வரும்? Minus c. C is equal to 5 minus 5 0. Now I got the value of c as 0. Like this find the value of b. Alright, put x is equal to 2. We can put 2, 3, any numbers you can write. So, in the place of x, write 2 plus 5. In the place of x square, write 2 square minus 2 square plus 5 plus b 2 plus c. Here 2 minus 1 is 1. So, 12 minus 4 plus 5. 2 2s are 4 plus 5 is 9a plus 2b plus c. So, substitute the value of a and c. 13 is equal to, our a value is 1 here. 9 into 1 plus 2b. C value is 0. So, 13 minus 9 is equal to 2b. 4. What is 13 minus 9? 4. So, our b value is, b is equal to 4 by 2. Our b value is 2. Now, I got the value of a, b and c. You substitute here and you have to integrate c. See, you have some you have to integrate. Person is you have to integrate with respect to x. So, substitute the value of a, b and c. So, integrate. Our value of a is 1. So, 1 by x minus 1 dx plus integrate. What is the value of b here? 2. So, 2x by x square plus 5 dx. Our value of c is 0. So, you don't need to write c. You see your value 0 you don't need to write for c. See here. What is integrate 1 by x plus x minus 1 dx is log x minus 1. This one you know already. See, this is very important step here. In this step only we are going to use one new result. That means integrate a by ax plus b. This result is given in your book. Dx is integrate d of ax plus b by ax plus b. The answer is log ax plus b plus c. This is our new result. We are going to use it in this problem. In the result, the last step in here we are going to use. Have you understood? See, but I will see. See, I want to separate a listen. What is the question given here? Integrate 2x by x square plus 5 dx. I am going to keep x square plus 5 as t. T is equal to x square plus 5. You have to differentiate. What is dt? dt is 2x dx. Differentiate with respect to x. X square will become 2x dx. So, in the place of 2x dx, dt. So, integrate dt by, here x square plus 5 is t. So, what is the answer here? Our result is log ax plus b. Log t. Log t here. Log t means our t value is x square plus 5. So, log x square plus 5 plus c. Have you understood? That's our sound problem is over. I have completed exercise 2.2 fully. You work out all your problems and if you have any doubt you can ask.